Super Duper Bunny League, The Missing Carrot. Hi, little heroes. Do you like bunnies and superheroes? Let's hop into a super adventure with the Bunny League. In Bunnyville, the sun was bright and high. 3 bunny heroes jumped into the sky. There's Bouncey, who jumps super high, Fluffy, who zooms faster than a fly, and Brainy Bun, so smart and cool, she knows every trick, every super rule. But today there's trouble. Oh, what a fright. The golden carrot is gone from sight. The villain Sneako took it, said Fluffy fast. We need to find him, and we must act fast. They searched the park, the pond, and the tree. No carrot there. Where could it be? Bouncey bounced up, super duper hop. He saw Sneako near the ice cream shop. They made a plan, smart and quick. Brainy Bun used her magic trick. Sneako tripped on a banana peel, splat, and dropped the carrot, just like that. The bunnies cheered, we saved the snack. Their golden carrot was finally back. They shared it with everyone in the town, and gave Sneako a tiny hero crown. Because heroes help, and villains can change, the Bunny League's love is big and strange. League, a team that works together. Mission, a special job or adventure. Carrot, a crunchy orange veggie bunnies love. Superpower, a special ability like flying or jumping high. Villain, a sneaky character who causes trouble. What did Sneako steal? The golden carrot. Who are the Bunny League heroes? Bouncey, Fluffy, and Brainy Bun. What's a league? A team that works together. What did Brainy Bun do? Made a smart plan to stop Sneako. What happened at the end? They got the carrot back and shared it, even with Sneako. Thanks for watching. For more stories, scan our QR code.